So just going to show you a quick assembly video of the Hapstone Modular System. Firstly, we need to fit up the vertical rod that comes up through here. So lifting the base underneath here, we slide it through like so. And then we get our little stop collar here. That goes down, locks in place. That stops the rod from going down when we're sharpening. Next, we need to fit up the vertical post that holds all the sharpening modules in the base. There's 2 screws, so we'll fit that out from below. Actually, we tip it over, that's the easiest way to do it. Hold your module so it's at that angle, not that angle. Feed our screws through, get the Allen key. And start threading it in. Once it's started, it'll just self-align itself in place. Just nice and snugly, not over tight. I'm going to strip out the thread. So that's the base platform for the system. Next, we need to fit up 2 components for the guide rod. First is the micro fine tuning adapter. This is an accessory on most of the kits. Allows you to dial in the angle very precisely. Next is the pivot with the bearing and parking hook. So the parking hook goes on the bottom side. Locks in place, which means this pivots freely. Next, we've got the guide rod. The guide rod comes in 2 pieces. There's a supplied Allen key, so you just need to tighten these 2 Allen key grub screws down to assemble the rod, and then you have 2 spring stoppers. So the rod goes through the bearing and out the other end, and the parking tool goes over like this to hold it in place. Spring stopper on the end, and that's ready to go for a module. We have the R2 module here. Put that in place. Tighten down. And now that's ready to sharpen.